Hey everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So we're on our way to Hobart. We've arrived in Hobart, beautiful Hobart. We've had a bit of a wander around. We're now setting up this beautiful room so all the great people from Hobart can come and join us for the Bullion Now conference, Hobart edition. Hey everyone, we've just wrapping up in Hobart. It has been brilliant. We had a good crowd here, lots of great questions, lots of discussions, lots of good food, lots of good drinks. So if you were in Hobart and didn't come along, you really missed out. But we've got more coming up. We're going to Brisbane tomorrow, which would be the 26th, I believe. And then we're heading over to Adelaide and Perth next weekend and Monday. So Adelaide is the 2nd of October. Perth is the 3rd of October, and then we're going to do another big one in Melbourne on the boat on the 5th of October. So if you've missed out on Hobart, come over to one of the other states, join us over there. But yeah, lots of fun over here. I think Matt and Ruben and I are pretty much exhausted. We're going to fall into a cab and hopefully get a flight home very soon. All right, we'll see you next time.